Bye-bye. It was fun. Well, that was it. She's going. We got a surprise coming. Well, good morning. This is what's replacing the Nuffield. The old Nuffield, 1155 Massey Ferguson, V8 diesel in her. We'll start up in a second. So we got rid of the Nuffield. The hydraulic pump was getting weak on it. Actually, it went. The one video you've seen, it wasn't working. Number two, the rear end wasn't very good in it either. So time to get rid of her and time for an upgrade. So this thing is sweet. Let's give her a start. And this thing is mint. So this is pretty sweet. This is a second owner. The second owner owned it since 200 hours. So the first owner, I'm not too sure what happened to him back in, I think it was 1975. If anybody knows more about Massey Ferguson than I, leave some comments below. That'll help. Okay, so we are going to go over this thing, probably change the oil. I got to put the 540 PTO on it. It's got the 1000. So I believe this is a 150 or 160 horse tractor. We're going to put it on an auger, just like the Nuffield was. This is going to be fun. We might put mufflers on it, I'm not too sure. But yeah, again, this thing is sweet. I mean, this thing is pretty close to mint, really. I mean, look at the paint on it. I believe this was painted once in its life. I actually know the owners have taken really good care of this thing. They take really great care of all their equipment. Anyways, yeah, okay, we'll get to the rest of the video, which will actually probably be another day. I got other things going on. I just got out here for a moment and just thought I would kind of share this. I'm just kind of walking around it and looking at it and enjoying the purchase. Not a bad upgrade. So the Nuffield was from 1968. This is from 1975. So we moved up a few years. You know, sometimes you just gotta do that. Trade them in. Okay. Well, good morning again. So this is another day, obviously. You can see how actual clean that oil is. There's only about 20 hours on this oil, so I'm actually not going to change it. Like I said, I know the guys who had this tractor before me, or before us, I should say, and they are as anal or more anal than we are here, so I trust, like he's told me what he's gone over, so we're going to leave it. That is going to be fine. My brother had his girlfriend run over to the States yesterday. She went and grabbed our parts for this tractor. We might have some issues. As soon as he gets here, I'll go over it, show what's going on, but I think we're going to be able to get her together. Oh. Here's my parts here. Look at that. Yep, no, we have issues. These are not the right ones. So this is what I was talking about, the update. And yeah, okay. Okay. That is definitely going to be an issue. So, they all like that. That is all of them. They're all in the center. Ugh. Okay, so I don't know what we're gonna do yet. I guess I'm gonna have to wait for Owen to get here, and we're gonna make some decisions. But yeah, those are all right in the center. So they need to be offset, which I showed in the other video, I believe, when I ended it. Here's the failed one. See how that's offset in the center? Oh man, okay. I'm not sure what we're gonna do today, but we're gonna do some stuff. Might get the header home, so give me a moment. Okay, so I've had the mechanic from Full Line come here. We've been putting this together. He's coming here right now. Hey, puppy. He's coming back. We had to run back to Full Line to talk about this hat. They brought the new one in, the last one in Ontario again. So we're gonna get a new hat, and we're gonna take all this stuff out, put in the new hat. We're gonna get this baby together today. There's one more hat in the States. We are talking right now, trying to get it here, because we're gonna do the other side. I don't know if you would do that. They're $2,500. It's either spend $2,500 or we're gonna take a $13,000 to $14,000 roll of the dice and hope to Christ it lasts. But we know one thing, that those tires have done the same revolution, so we're gonna get a new one here. So we'll get this put together, and he's just rolled in, so we're gonna turn this off until we get it together. We'll probably show the other side. He doesn't want to be on camera. That's what's going on. So here's the old hub, and there's a new one. Just gonna swap all that back over to it. We should be able to get this baby going. We're waiting for the new hub, or hat. It's coming from the States, so it'll be here maybe next week, we'll see. But we're at least gonna get this side together, and if we need to move this tractor, we can. That'll be lovely. Yeah. See if we can just get her to come on. Score the bolt out. Yeah, sit down. Those two bolts are on the bench. I just shined them up. My little dab of Loctite. You get some Loctite out of that? Yep. The stick should be out here somewhere. Is that green? No, don't use green though. I have the glue stick out. Right here. That was a calf workout. Oh my god. No water? Maybe this one. No. It was not. You give a torque on that or just tight? So just it wasn't very tight because the rest of the bolts hold this on too. It's just I need that's
Or you need average drive, or you need a longer fuse.
yeah. Or is this an 18 here? 18. Yep. 18. Double check our wheel. The wheel bolts go through there. I would imagine. Just want to. Yep. Okay. Get our plug in and the wheel. Last but not least, a little bit of oil in this side. We're gonna leave her jacked up. And hopefully next week, this is Monday right now, hopefully next Monday we will have the parts and we will tackle the other side, but it won't be so aggressive. We'll just swap over the gears and all that fun stuff. So we're gonna clean up, wash the floor. Might go get the bean head today. So, a couple days later, this is our new to us buggy, 750 bushels. I'm just gonna end the video. We're still waiting for parts. Obviously next week we'll get the rest of it, hopefully get that tackled. So what we're gonna do here, we'll get everything hooked up and then we're going to take it out and we're gonna test it. So, and then Owen's got some pieces. Oh, he got all the guards here. He's just painting them right now. They were just a little bit scuzzy, but. So this is a bigger buggy than our other buggy. This one's 500 bushel. This one holds 750. This one does have scales on it. It has a camera on the back of it. It has a camera on the spout, so that's gonna be nice. We gotta get that hooked up in there. And that spout is adjustable, so if you're off a little bit, it'll pitch. So let's get this thing hooked up. So this buggy is fueled ready. We have greased it, checked over the wheel bearings. Good to go. that there, but I'm thinking, you know, we're gonna pull up looking this way, so probably should just mount this right here. And then, you know, if I'm filling, I can just glance both ways. What do you think? I don't know. Or is it gonna be better off right here? And then, you know, you just kind of watch it and pull ahead, pull ahead, pull ahead. It's a tough call. So this is what we came up with so far. I mean, I gotta clean up the wiring, but I don't think that's too bad. I know I discussed putting it here, but for right now, this was the easiest spot. If I was thinking this ball will screw into there, but the issue is that ball's smaller than this ball. So if I want to move it there, I will have to go get another bracket. But right now, we're just gonna see how this works. These two scales share the same wiring, two different companies, I'm pretty confident. So I don't know if there's a different calibration factor into this one compared to this one. This one's for the air seeder. So for right now, I'm just going to use this guy because it came with this unit. We'll see how close it is, and then maybe I will unplug it and plug it into this one. And if this one gives me the proper weight, the same, then I'll just take one of these right out of here and I'll keep using. I'll just leave one in here is what I'm getting at, and I'll put another one in a different tractor, just in case we decide to, if we need to use a different tractor for the buggy. I will already have the scale pre-set up into another tractor as standby, because everybody knows that things happen, things break down. But yes, I'm just about to go to lunch here, so I've changed. But I think that's all I'm going to show you guys for today. You guys make sure you have a good one. Like and subscribe. Peace.